guys! Have you ever wondered how to enrich your digital drawings? Does light seem like a complicated topic and you don't know where to start? Well, good news! I will show you how in my lighting and shading course. I'm Aveline Stokart, I'm character designer and comic artist. I draw for books, animated series, and I just created my own comic book. Light has a very special place in my illustrations. I think it's fascinating how light can enhance an image and take the viewer at a specific time and place. Throughout my journey, I always wondered how the artists I love brought light in their pieces. I tried to find answers through books, tutorials, but it was a long and slow process, as the information wasn't all in one place. Today, I want to share with you what I learned over the years so you don't have to go through that. This course is designed for beginners as well as intermediate artists who would like to further deepen their knowledge about light and learn new techniques. I will explain step by step the different principles of light and its different forms, such as direct light, diffuse light, reflection, and so on. I will show you all the brushes and different shading techniques I use, and I will talk about colors as well, how to choose them with meaning. Finally, we will draw an illustration together using 4 different lighting setups. After completing this course, you will understand light better and know how to bring it in your own artwork. These new techniques will take your drawing skills to the next level. In this 2-hour course, I walk you through my art process from theory to final illustration. You will receive 3 assignments, so you can apply what you learn and create your own artwork. Plus, you will get bonus content such as layer Procreate files, PSD files, and more. All you need to get started is an iPad, an Apple Pencil, and Procreate. But don't worry if you don't have an iPad. All the tools and techniques I use can be applied to Photoshop or another similar drawing software. I'm so excited to be teaching this class and I can't wait for you to join me. But most of all, I can't wait to see the final drawing you will create. So let's start drawing!